Hi, my name is Destiny Alfonso, and I'm the girl behind Just Destiny Mag, a lifestyle blog here in Phoenix. If you're in the market for new carpet, then you're going to love the Corben pattern carpet from Lifeproof. These beautiful floors add visual interest to any room in your home. Soft to touch and soft on your feet, it's like walking on a cloud. Corben pattern carpet from Lifeproof is available in 12 fresh and fashion-forward colors you are going to love. From bright whites to deep shades of browns and grays, these colors will fit your modern, traditional, or even eclectic home. Corben pattern carpet is made from 100% continuous filament nylon construction, which provides great resistance to wear, fading, and shedding. It also has an R2X stain and soil resistance system. Each carpet installation comes with a Lifeproof warranty, which includes a lifetime pet stain warranty, limited lifetime stain and soil warranty, and a 25-year wear and tear warranty. This means you can live worry-free with your family and pets. Corben pattern carpet is also manufactured from continuous fibers to minimize shedding and is machine-made and FHA approved. For maintenance, vacuum on the regular and professionally clean annually. A 7/16" carpet pad is recommended for use with this carpet. For a high-performing carpet, gorgeous color, pattern, texture, and plushness, check out Lifeproof Corben pattern carpet, available at the Home Depot.